Hi everyone. Today we will watch how to install Node.js and SASS for web development perfectly without any error. Many users face issues while installing it. So, let's start. On Google search, type Node.js. Head to the first one. Click on Get Node.js. Finally, Windows Installer. I already have downloaded this. Now simply install it. It's easy. It's successfully installed. Now to check if it's installed properly, we will use command in cmd. Type node-v. Press enter. The Node version is shown, means it's installed properly. Half of the task is done. Now we will install SASS. Here I am in the SASS official source. To install SASS, this command is given. Copy the line. Paste here. Press enter. It's installed. Now we will check if it's installed properly or not via cmd again. Type SASS _version. Press enter. Yes, it shows the SASS is compiled with JS. So, this is how you can simply install Node.js and SASS in your PC without any error, and can also check if they are installed properly. Hope you liked the video. Please be with us and inspire to make more such tutorials. Goodbye.